Hey, it's Dr. Amanda with Straightsmile Solutions, straightsmilesolutions.com. Just a friendly reminder, like every spring, we always offer spring cleaning. So if you need help spring cleaning your Clin Check, spring cleaning your ortho cases, getting those refinements moving, getting those cases that have been stuck unstuck, just moving everything along again, I recommend signing up for just 1, 2, or 3 months, 30, 60, 90 days of our concierge plan. Let's go through all your cases. Let's just give them a quick boost. Make sure everything's going well. Make sure you're not doing any missteps. Make sure your cases are up to standard of care. This will help to decrease your refinement rate exponentially, which will help to increase cash flow in your practice, increase internal referrals, internal marketing. It's just a win-win. And if you really have all your cases ready to go, you've scanned all your cases for refinements, you've got all your records up and loaded, this is going to be an extraordinarily profitable 30, 60, or 90 days for you. So it'll definitely have a high ROI. Check it out, straightsmilesolutions.com. We can customize options for you. Thank you so much.